Hello, good morning, everyone, and welcome to this particular video. This is the live roadmap dashboard, okay? The live roadmap of the Alephium project. So when I talk about live, it's talking about what is currently going on now in real time. Let's just put it that way. Okay, so it's written here, said for full transparency and accountability into everything we're building, and for those awaiting the call, the app. The apps section now brings you one step closer to the action, okay? So this is 2025, 2026. So foundational apps built by the core team to serve the Alephium ecosystem, like I earlier said. So we're going to have three categories. We have the done, we have the ongoing, and we have the planned. Okay. So let's just start without further ado. So what has been done are the things that have been actualized, what have been achieved. So currently we have the live on testnet. The Power 5 testnet has been going on live since February 2026. It has been phenomenal. People have been able to give their feedback to the core team, and they have been able to implement this feedback. The bugs have been, addressed. So the live on testnet, it has been, ongoing since February. So that one has been there. It has been achieved. Bridge integration. Okay, so bridge integration, we have our own normal bridge, which we have integrated the Ethereum and the BSC, Binance Smart Chain networks, into our own LFM ecosystem through the bridge. So that brings in much more users, much more transactional volume, you know, we have the on-ramp integration. We have the initial user interface stroke user experience version 1. We have the manage user positions. We have the pool statistics, which is very good. We have the CLMM stroke CPMM DEX contract. We have the revamp for the wallet. We have an on-ramp integration. We have mobile in-app, the app browser. Okay, mobile in-app, the app browser. Okay, the app stands for decentralized applications. So in the wallet, we have the D app browser where you can go to see different applications, decentralized applications in the Alephium ecosystem, and the ones that interest you, like take a closer look at them. We have the state management and offline caching. We have groupless addresses and chain transactions. That's for wallet tooling. We have multilingual support for the Alephium, the apps and website. The bridge, we have the bridge user interface stroke user experience revamp. The bridge, we have the bridge widget and call the app. We have the staking support. Um, Okay, then we have the core, the app revamp user experience, stroke user experience version 2. We have for the wallet, we have the multi-wallet mobile support, and for the wallet, we have watch-only account. Okay, these are the things that have been actualized within this 2025-2026 duration. They have been actualized. Okay, so let me just talk a little about the staking. Staking is akin to the normal fixed deposits that have been carried out in the traditional banking system, where you can stake your cash, that's your fiat currencies, for about 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 3 years, 5 years, based on the duration you want. And the longer the duration, the longer the interest that will be accrued. Okay, so that's what the staking is all about. When you stake in the cryptocurrency industry, for the Alephium ecosystem, the staking that's coming up on our Pi 5 mainnet is phenomenal because you can stake your ALPH tokens to get X ALPH tokens. Okay, so while your X ALPH tokens are busy, giving you profit at the end of 30 days, you have the X ALPH tokens to be able to use to carry out any other activity you want on the Pi 5 mainnet ecosystem, such as providing liquidity pool, lending, loan, all that. So it's a win-win situation. Okay, so let's go to the ongoing project. Currently, passkey support, CLMM workflow parity, and CPMM referral system. These are the ongoing projects currently that the core team are working on. And the things that are planned live on mainnet, and we're talking about the Power mainnet, okay? Desktop ecosystem screen, mobile push notification, passkey support, mobile ledger support, and additional chains, okay, for the bridge. For example, I can anticipate Polygon Matic, I can anticipate Solana chains on the bridge because currently, like I earlier said, we have the Ethereum bridge and the Ethereum and the Binance Smart Chain networks bridge connected to us from the bridge. Okay, these are layer one blockchains. So the other chains can be added, such as Avax, um, Solana, and Polygammatic, and the core team can also add some based on their discretion. Okay, so these are beautiful planned projects and expansions we are to expect in the Alephium ecosystem. So it's very good to have a roadmap because investors can come to like look at what the core team is doing and what they have planned. It gives us a sense of direction. It gives us a sense of accomplishment when we accomplish anything. Okay. That's basically it. So without further ado, I would like to end this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer your questions. And if you have any other suggestions you'd like to give, our core teams are open-minded to listen to what you have to say. And based on the discussion, they can implement it if they see it deemed and possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate your support. See you in the next one, and take care of yourself, and bye.